Elon Musk says the final Tesla Cybertruck design is finally locked after several revisions, and he updated the production timeline to mid-2023. Welcome to Tech Heaven, and in this video we'll take a look at Tesla Cybertruck's final design and updates you need to know. When Tesla unveiled the Cybertruck in 2019, the company stated that the electric pickup truck would be available by the end of 2021. As the deadline approached, the automaker confirmed that the production would be delayed until 2022. Elon Musk, Tesla's CEO, later stated that the electric pickup truck would begin production at Gigafactory, Texas in late 2022. With the emphasis clearly on getting the Model Y into production at the factory, which was also delayed, it appeared likely that the Cybertruck production timeline would slip as well. Tesla confirmed in March 2022 that it plans to complete Cybertruck development this year for production in 2023. A significant portion of the delay has been attributed to Tesla updating the design of the Cybertruck on multiple occasions, and it was unknown until now whether the automaker had finally settled on the final design. Musk confirmed the Cybertruck design is now locked in an interview with the Tesla Owners Club of Silicon Valley. "We need to get the Cybertruck into production as soon as possible. At the very least, the design is now complete. We got a little carried away with the design changes. Tesla added rear-wheel steering to the Cybertruck and made several minor design changes, according to Musk." However, the CEO added that regardless of design changes, Tesla would not have been able to bring the electric pickup truck to volume production due to a chip shortage. During the interview, Musk revised the Cybertruck's production timeline to mid-2023. Earlier this year, new Cybertruck prototypes were spotted being tested by Tesla and used for event promotion. The updated prototype was spotted on the automaker's Fremont factory test track. It's the best look we've had in a long time at the upcoming electric pickup truck. Tesla unveiled the Cybertruck in 2019, and for the longest time, only one prototype of the electric pickup truck was spotted in the wild and at Tesla events. The vehicle program has been postponed, with production now set for late 2022. Tesla is expected to update the electric pickup truck with new features and a slightly updated design with the extra time. By the way, if you're watching us for the first time, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you can enjoy our future videos while getting updated. Getting back to the topic, recently the automaker revealed that it has a few alpha prototypes of the updated Cybertruck and that it will soon enter the beta phase in preparation for production within the next year. We now have an exclusive look at the Tesla Cybertruck prototype. A YouTuber known as Chili AI 100 performs drone flyovers of Tesla's Fremont factory and discovered the new Cybertruck prototype on the plant's test track. They managed to film the automaker testing the new electric pickup truck for about 10 minutes. The prototype appears to be brand new, with some trims and cables held together with tape. There are a few obvious changes in the updated design, such as the massive windshield wiper. Tesla has been working on an electromagnetic wiper system with a single blade similar to this, and it is rumored that Cybertruck will be the first Tesla vehicle to use the new technology. However, we cannot confirm that this is the case, because the wiper appears to have a more traditional, albeit massive, swivel system. The new Cybertruck also has side mirrors, which the prototype did not have. If regulations allowed it, Tesla planned to have side cameras feed into the screens inside the electric pickup truck, but that is not yet the case in North America. Elon Musk has previously stated that the company intends to continue using the system and to make the side mirrors easily removable so that the owners can modify them themselves. The new prototype spotted today either lacked the retractable bed cover seen on the original prototype or was fully retracted. Tesla also appears to have updated the Cybertruck's front lighting with 3 smaller lights in the middle between the headlights. Originally, the vehicle had full side-by-side headlights that made it appear more futuristic. Some claim that the bed is smaller, but it's difficult to tell without a scale comparison. The front and rear bumpers appear to have been significantly updated, with a design that is likely to be more compliant with regulations. The lights are similar to the original prototype and as divisive as ever. Whether you like it or not, the Cybertruck is popular, with over 1 million reservations according to the most recent tally. Musk recently stated that the updated Cybertruck will have 4 electric motors and 4 steering wheels. Tesla intends to begin production of the Cybertruck at Gigafactory, Texas by the end of 2022. Elon Musk sent shockwaves through the automotive industry when he revealed the Cybertruck in November 2019. The Cybertruck's radical futuristic design is unlike anything else on the road, and it appears to be heading to production almost exactly as it is now. Every design has supporters and detractors. Remember Apple's AirPods? But more often than not, after becoming an icon, they either become a commercial success or a source of study for future designers to learn how not to design something. Many people believe that the Tesla Cybertruck's design was lifted directly from a child's sketchbook, but we can all agree that Elon Musk must have given this radical design some thought. Let us try and bring up various aspects that influenced the design of the Cybertruck. Assume you're a Tesla and you're about to enter the $81 billion pickup truck market, which is crowded with vehicles that look very similar. The answer is simple: you must bring in a car that is unlike any other. With this criteria and Elon Musk's fondness for radical thinking, Tesla chose to lean into an extremely bizarre design and, even better, to embrace it. However, beyond the communication, the car's design has captured the attention of many, some with adoration and some with disdain. Tesla made some decisions after delving into the constraints. They rethought the vehicle's design from the ground up and made some decisions that led to this design. For the structure, they chose ultra-hard 30x cold-roll stainless steel in its bare form, and they decided to design the car with an exoskeleton rather than the traditional body-on-frame. In other words, the exoskeleton means that the body and the frame are one and the same, as opposed to the body-on-frame, which is a separate piece mounted on a frame. One of the most significant advantages of this type of frame structure is the availability of space for storing battery packs and other equipment. The design of the body was heavily influenced by two important factors: a desperate need to stand out and a desperate need to be cost-effective in manufacturing. These two constraints compel a simple solution, a radical design that can be mass-produced cheaply. The simple plate-like design, where the material can be stamped using a machine, is a huge cost-cutting benefit. When studying structures and force distributions in physics, one of the most common things we learn is that triangles are excellent weight distributors in any system. This is also the fundamental principle underlying this design. Finally, there has been some progress with the Cybertruck, which is probably the most anticipated new electric vehicle right now. We believe that many of Musk's comments about the Cybertruck, such as being carried away with the design, mirror the situation with the Model X, which Musk admitted Tesla over-designed and made too complicated. As the CEO pointed out, the timing was fortunate because Tesla would not have been able to produce it in any meaningful way anyway. Hopefully, it will not complicate the production ramp. We already know that Tesla is getting ready to receive the world's largest gigapress for the production of the electric pickup. We believe that just getting that machine to work properly will be a massive task in and of itself. We hope Tesla can stick to its mid-2023 deadline, but we wouldn't be surprised if it slips again. And with that being said, it's time to end our video. What are your views about the Cybertruck's final design? Let us know in the comments. Like this video and make sure to subscribe to the channel for more amazing videos like this. We'll see you in the next video.